Hello there and welcome back. Today we're on wobble cam, and today, not on the bench, is a Tektronix type 545B oscilloscope. It's, I don't know what that serial number is, 101649. I've got 3 of these. The other two 201 serial numbers. Anyway, as you can see, it's in a bit of a state. A bit mucky on the front. Plug-in, I took those out a while ago. You can see in there. Yeah, it's a bit noisy at the moment. Sheep, planes. There is the lovely patina of mouse shit and piss. No polite way of putting it. And the little beauties have been in everywhere. In there, oh, and that's one I missed. I've just pulled all the valves out. She's got about, I don't know, 50-60 valves in it. Right, so the HT section isn't too bad, so I'm just going to give that a bit of a blowout. Have a look around it. Oops, shit. Just have a look around the other side. You can see it's pretty mucky in there too. And you can see more mouse shit and shit and piss in there too. So there's no real way of cleaning this apart from getting a load of water, soapy water with bleach in, and scooshing it out. And then what I'm going to do is blast it out with a air hose, compressed air line, and then stick it in front of the fire in a warm place for a good few days. And there's another. Got to really watch these valves here. That I think they're pretty hard to get, these. Oops. This is a relay valve which switches it on after I think it's about 8-10 seconds, something like that. This later 545B has got transistors in place of some of the valves. So anyway, I'm going to give it a good scoosh out with some soapy water with bleach in. Trying obviously not to get it in things like the fan and anywhere where the water is going to soak it up. Obviously not going to go near the CRT, and then eventually when it's dry we're going to get it on the bench.
Now I go window cleaning to earn an honest bob. For a nosy Parker, it's an interesting job. Now it's a job that just suits me. A window cleaner you would be if you can see what I can see. When I'm cleaning windows, honeymooning couples too, you should see them villain coo. You'd be surprised at things they do. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. The blushing bride, she looks divine. The bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine. When I'm cleaning windows, there's a famous talky queen. She looks a flapper on the screen. She's more like 80 than 18. When I'm cleaning windows, she pulls her hair all down behind, then pulls down her never mind, and after that pulls down the blind. When I'm cleaning windows, in my profession I'll work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top.
Your antiseptic, your deodorant smells nice.
there, those
Every time it's time to go, there is one thing you should know. It's time to clean up, time to tidy up. Before you're ready to walk away, there is one thing you should say. It's time to clean up, time to tidy up.
being short of taking it all apart, which is what it would do like a deep clean.
I like to play, and when I'm done, it's time to clean up. I like to read, and when I'm done, it's time to tidy up. I like to eat, and when I'm done, it's time to clean up. I like to draw, and when I'm done, it's time to tidy up. Money first now, say it was real little. Smile, it was little. It was yours, little.
Get most of the rottiness off. Now shit, guys. Because it's obviously a bit of a disease. Vector, isn't it, or whatever you call it? Got some of the worst out of there. It's just some bits I can't get at in there. You see down there. So I'll have to have a go at taking this fan off and seeing if I can get in there. This weird socket will have to be replaced with an IEC one, because I haven't got a plug for that. Anywho, it's a start anyway. And here it is a few days later, after it's been by the fire. So although all that sort of treatment, whacking a brush about inside it and lots of soapy water, I'm hoping that it's not done any damage. That was there before that cracked. It smells better too, a lot cleaner. So I mean, it's been right near a wood fire, you know. Yeah, I mean some of these are still a bit mucky. I can perhaps get in there just with a little cotton bud or something. Yeah, it's a lot better. Oh, bloody great heavy things these are. Right, where's the back plate? That was one that was particularly bad. That's the back plate. A lot better. So next thing is to test all the valves, make sure we've got a good set to put in, and I'll probably go around testing each section, testing the power supply, and then the horizontal, vertical, etc. Well, I mean obviously it's got to have a plug-in, and hopefully try and get the old girl working, because it'd be a shame just to scrap it, which I don't intend to do. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and putting up with all the bloody cleaning. Doesn't really make for an interesting video, but you know, hopefully it might help somebody in the future if they're wondering what to do with a particularly mucky piece of equipment. We've got another one on the bench here which is not as mucky, but another old bit of gear that's a bit mucky. Anyway, more about this one in a few days' time. Thanks all for watching. Ta-da for now.